Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
Now look here. So the other day I was in half a tree. Yes, me go road sometime. Me's a big woman, me nah under no lock and key. Anyhow, I was at the transport center and I see a young lady, fine-looking child, no more than about 25. She a walk with a big old bag, well look like a one suitcase, and was holding it in front of her belly region. I couldn't did see her very good from where I was, but as she get closer to me, all I could do was shake me head. Now this child look like she weigh about 250 pounds. I have a one frock we make for a size 6. The frock a squeeze out in the light, and every fall where he nine body we couldn't see it. From mountain to valley, she couldn't barely move, as if that never bad enough. When she get closer, me realize why she have the suitcase bag in front of her. The frock cut long in at the back and short in at the front. And when me say short, me mean short. So she walk, and so she have to haul down the front. And the poor frock already stretched to the limit, so it this left it here. Now, this is the problem that I have. If you want to wear tight clothes, so tell your bossy out is one thing. But I will never understand these young ladies who wear the short up frock or skirt, and so it ride up, and so them a haul it down. It is the nature of physics. Yes, me know things, me went to school. When you move, the clothes is going to ride up. You ain't know that before you left your yard. Of course you know. That is why you wear it, to get attention. So why did the concierge ride down? Left it make it ride up. Make your behind expose. No attention you want. One thing me have to say. Me a night and me don't talk.
Let me tell you. Any day you pass back again, you hear her complain about something else. But make sure you come back, you hear? For me really can't use the company else. And me and her one day, I'll not come back, you hear?
Another YaadBridge Entertainment production.